while Apple was silent about HomePod updates, that does not mean it is spinning. Its staff is privately testing the previous release software. And now, we can know what that software implies. French site iGeneration claims to have details of the beta version based on iOS 12 from HomePod, and could address a list of feature requests for Apple's smart speaker. Most notably, it would include support for native phone calls. Instead of having to initiate the call on your iPhone and change the audio inputs, you can make and receive calls through the HomePod. Your smartphone would only provide the cellular connection. This would not be a new concept for a remote possibility, but it would be extremely useful if you prefer not to be within earshot of the modest speakers of your iPhone. It is reported that the beta addresses a relatively small but important demand: multiple timers. As with Amazon and Google, you can set a timer for the vegetables that are cooked on the stove and another for the roast in the oven. Other additions would include a HomePod version of Find My iPhone, support for the Spanish language, and a Wi-Fi fix feature that makes HomePod connect to your iPhone network when there is a discrepancy before you had to reset the HomePod to resolve this.